Hello friends, in this session we will be discussing about National Action Plan for Climate Change. For this, the government has introduced many missions. The first is National Solar Mission. National Solar Mission aims to produce 20,000 megawatt grid electricity connection by solar energy by 2022. Later, this mission was revised, and now the target is to achieve 1 lakh megawatt of electricity by solar energy. This has to be achieved by 2022. Next is National Water Mission. As all of you know that now water resources are shrinking due to the economic activities of we human beings. So we must protect the available natural resources, especially the water bodies, water resources. For this, we have to formulate effective policies. There must be efficient distribution, effective and equal distribution of water resources across the state and within the state. Interlinking of river is one of the strategy which is being going to taken by the government to address the water problems in many areas. There are areas which are water deficit and there are areas which are water surplus. So there must be an integrated approach to address the problem and to conserve the available water resources of our country. Next is National Mission for Sustainable Habitat. As all of you know that this habitat belongs to all, not only human beings, for all creatures, this habitat is common. Sustainable habitat means we must use the habitat in such a way that it must be available for the future generation also. So for sustainable habitat, there must be multi-dimensional integrated approach. We must protect this habitat. We must cooperate with the policies of other governments also to maintain the habitat for the future generation. Next is National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency. We must focus to develop more energy resources. At the same time, we must focus on optimum utilization of available energy resources. There must be shortage in some areas. We must address it. There must be wastage. We must reduce it. So we must ensure proper energy use. Next is National Mission for Sustainable Himalayan Ecosystem. As all of you know that Himalayan ecosystem is ecologically vulnerable and it is considered as one of the hotspot. We must protect this ecosystem because it is economically fragile and its balance we must protect. The imbalance created in Himalayan ecosystem can create many problems in the country. So there must be frequent check of health status of the Himalayan ecosystem. Next is National Mission for a Green India. As all of you know that once we had a lot of forest resources. Almost all the states in India had forest resources. Now it is not the case. The scenario is changed. Deforestation now became very common. We are losing our forest resources. Now only 23 to 26% of forest resources are available. So we must protect the available forest resource and there must be afforestation in our country to increase the forest cover. We must aim for Green India. Next is National Mission on Strategic Knowledge for Climate Change. Why this climate change is happening? What are all the impact of this climate change that we must know? There must be better understanding of the climate change. Then only we can incorporate, we can come forward with the government to protect the climate. The climate change will affect rich and poor, developed and developing country, all the people and all the creatures in a same manner. So climate change is not a myth, it's a reality and we must address it. So these are the missions which is being introduced by the government.
Thank you so much for listening. If you like our video, please give me a thumbs up and comment. Please do subscribe and share our channel. Thank you for listening.